From body care to fragrances, here's part 3 of my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. I have picked up a bunch of shower gels from the Nykaa Wanderlust range. The first one I picked up is the Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging of all the shower gels. They are so pretty. The next one I picked up is this Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris shower gel. Now this has notes of champagne and berries. Has a very nice sweet berry fragrance. Next I picked up is this Tropical Sunset shower gel. Smells very tropical and fresh. Next I picked up is this Nykaa Swiss Vanilla shower gel. Has a very nice sweet smell of vanilla with some woody notes. And the last shower gel I picked up is this Summer and Amalfi shower gel. Next I picked up 2 body lotions from the Nykaa Wanderlust range, and the first one I picked up is the Swiss Vanilla one. Now this smells exactly like the shower gel. It has a nice sweet smell of vanilla with some woody notes, and this is very moisturizing and very lightweight on the skin. The second one I picked up is the Tropical Thai Sunset body lotion. Next I picked up is this Gillette Venus Smooth Sensitive Razor, and you get 3 refills in this packet. Next I picked up is this Earth Rhythm Buttercream Soap, and this is the berry smoothie variant. I absolutely love the texture of the buttercream soaps. I have tried the vanilla variant in the past, but I'm not a very big fan of the smell. I would say this variant smells very artificial, as well as the vanilla variant which I have tried in this past also smells kind of artificial, but it is very moisturizing and I would say it has a very unique texture. Now I have picked a bunch of fragrances. First let's start with the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Body Mist. Now this has notes of vanilla, and the vanilla is not very sweet. It has some vanilla plus woody and amber notes. But if you want something more sweet and sugary, then you can try the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Candid. This is more sugary. This has notes of marshmallow as well. So if you want something more sugary and sweet, then you can try this particular variant. Next, I have picked up some perfumes from the Nykaa Wanderlust range. And first I picked up is the Nykaa Summer and Amalfi perfume. You get 16 ml of product, and this smells sweet and citrusy. The next variant I picked up from the Nykaa Wanderlust range is the Nykaa Dreaming of Paris perfume, and this has notes of champagne and berries. Now this has a nice sweet berry fragrance with some champagne notes. Next I picked up the Swiss Vanilla perfume, and I have also picked up the Swiss Vanilla Body and Hair Fine Fragrance Mist. Now the Fine Fragrance Mist, the Swiss Vanilla perfume and the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla, these 3 smell exactly the same. Next I picked up is this Moi by Nykaa perfume. I'll mention the name on the screen, and this is what the packaging looks like. Now this has a very fresh fragrance. It is also very citrusy. It also has some fruity and woody notes. So if you love fresh fragrances with some citrus and woody notes, then you're going to love this one.